Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are diving into how to screenshot on the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus. We will cover a few different methods so you can choose the one that works best for you. Method 1, using button combination. This is the classic way to take a screenshot. Quickly press and release the volume up and power buttons together. You will see a flash and hear a shutter sound indicating screenshot was taken. A preview will appear in the corner. Tap it to edit or share, or just let it go to save automatically. Method 2, using back tap. This is a super convenient accessibility feature. For using it, go to Settings. Here, Accessibility. Then Touch. Scroll down and select back tap. Choose either double tap or triple tap. From the list of actions, select screenshot. Now just double or triple tap the back of your iPhone to take a screenshot. Method 3, using action button. The action button is customizable and we can set it to take screenshots too. Open the Shortcuts tab. Tap the plus sign to create a new shortcut. In the search bar, type screenshot and select take screenshot. Search again for save and choose save to photo album. Tap the down arrow and then rename. Let us call it save screenshot. Now go to main settings. Choose action button. Find shortcut and tap create shortcut. Select the save screenshot shortcut we just made. From now on, a long press of the action button will take and save a screenshot. Method 4, using Siri. Of course, Siri can help us out too. Just say, "Hey Siri, take a screenshot." Siri will capture the screen and save it to your photos. And there you have it. 4 different ways to take screenshots on your iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Plus. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments which method is your favorite. Thanks for watching.